So I often say that Banyan Business Outcomes is a learn-it-all organization as opposed to a know-it-all organization. And I thought I'd create a quick video explaining what exactly I meant by that. Well, learning's always been a personal value of mine. That's why I always include the books in the background of my videos. I just love that feeling of learning something new and then having to recalibrate my thinking in every other area. It's like discovering a new dimension I didn't know existed and then have to come to terms with it. So, a Learn It All organization is one that sees itself on this continuum, this evolution. It's one that starts with some kind of body of knowledge and then approaches each client and each project with some kind of thesis. Like this is the kind of thing I'm trying to learn, and the way that the business is trying to grow in terms of how it delivers throughout this project. So what you can anticipate from a Learn It All company is that each project should be delivered a little better than the one preceding it, and the thinking should be a little bit more crisp. But also, what you're going to see out of it is an open-mindedness, right? It's a company that's willing to do some discovery work, willing to, admit that it doesn't know all the answers in the front end, and is going to be, a little more creative in how it solves problems. Know-it-all companies tend to be organizations that have already done the project 1,000 times, they say, and they know exactly how to solve this problem, just sign on the bottom line. Well, engagements with these types of companies tend to be pretty disappointing just because every problem is different, every client is different, and if you start with the attitude that you already know the answer before you've even begun, well, you're probably going to have some pretty sterile, some pretty static thinking, and you might not find the best solution. You might just find the most obvious one. So I'm looking for clients who are interested in working with companies that are continually growing, who are interested in going through this process of discovery and exploration to find the best solution that has 10 times better value or better return than what you get for the off-the-shelf kind of thinking you get from a know-it-all company. And just excited to build out Banyan Business Outcomes and turn it into a great company.